Are you ready to embrace your inner spy? We're going to introduce you to 6 real spy tools today that you can buy. From invisible cameras to advanced tracking devices, these gadgets will make you feel like you're straight out of a spy movie. Let's start now. But before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. 6. Spy Bolt. A spy bolt is a specialized tool used to secretly hide small objects or valuables. It is sometimes referred to as a secret compartment bolt or a diversion-safe bolt. Although it looks like a standard bolt or screw, it actually includes a hidden storage compartment inside. Spy bolts are frequently employed as covert storage options to keep small items secure and out of sight. They are used by people to keep valuables like money, jewelry, USB drives, and other little personal objects. These gadgets can be beneficial in a variety of situations, including home security, travel, and concealing valuables. 5. USB Spy Camera. USB spy cameras are typically designed to blend in with everyday objects to avoid suspicion. They could have the same appearance as common USB accessories like flash drives, wall chargers, or even desk clocks. In some cases, USB spy cameras can record video and take pictures. Depending on the model, the recording quality and resolution may change. Motion detection features are available on a lot of USB spy cameras. When turned on, they will only begin recording when motion is detected, saving both battery life and storage space. USB spy cameras may often be configured and connected to a computer via USB. Some versions also provide Wi-Fi or wireless connectivity, allowing mobile apps to provide remote access to the camera's live broadcast or stored video. 4. Inspire 1 Pro Drone. The Inspire 1 Pro comes with the Zemuse X5 camera, which is a micro 4/3 sensor camera that supports interchangeable lenses. It features 16-megapixel still photography and 4K video recording. The footage is stable and fluid thanks to the camera's attachment to a 3-axis gimbal. The drone has 4 rotors that provide power, and DJI's cutting-edge flight control system gives it stability and mobility. It can fly at a maximum speed of 22 meters per second, 50 miles per hour, and ascend and descend at a maximum of 5 meters per second, 16.4 feet per second. The Inspire 1 Pro provides real-time monitoring and shot framing by transmitting a live, high-definition video stream to the remote control or mobile device. 3. Night Vision Binoculars. Binoculars with night vision are optical tools that enable users to see in low light or at night. To improve vision in low-light conditions, they use technology that increases ambient light, including infrared (IR) light. They collect incoming light with objective lenses and magnify it with specialized image intensifier tubes. After that, the eyepieces are projected with the magnified light, enabling the user to perceive the lit scene. Night vision binoculars can be beneficial for a number of activities, including wildlife observation, surveillance, security, boating, camping, and even certain nighttime sports. 2. Spy Camera. Spy lens is an add-on lens that can be attached to a standard camera lens to take covert pictures without drawing attention. The spy lens's prism or mirror technology enables you to take pictures at an acute angle of 90 degrees to the camera's typical line of sight. This makes it possible to shoot photographs to the side while still pointing your camera straight ahead, which makes it perfect for clandestine spying or street photography. Since spy lenses are frequently compact and light, they are simple to transport and attach to camera lenses. You may change the direction of the taken photographs by rotating it at various degrees. 1. Pen Recorder. A writing tool with an integrated audio or video recording device is referred to as a pen recorder, sometimes known as a spy pen or hidden camera pen. Although it seems and functions like a regular pen, it also has the potential to secretly capture audio or video. A pen recorder often has a tiny camera or microphone inside the pen's body or close to the tip. It might have switches or buttons to start and stop the recording, as well as to manage additional features like video resolution or audio activation. You can secretly record meetings, lectures, and conversations while using a pen recorder with audio recording capabilities. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned.